this is Mithu and welcome back to my channel. Now during winter, our skin looks dull and dehydrated. This video is not about how to make your skin supple, soft and glowing. Rather, to make your skin look good with a little help of makeup. It looks like I have wear only kajal and lipstick. Well, that's what we do, right? No, with a little help of foundation and a little trick, I can make my skin look flawless, beautiful and glowing during winter. Without further delay, let's learn this trick.
I am using Kaya Overnight Regenerating Nourisher as my moisturizer, and I've been using this product for a couple of weeks and currently it's my favorite. This is a very simple routine. Keeping that in mind, I will be using just 2 or 3 products: foundation, highlighter and finishing spray. Here I am using the highlighter directly on my skin before foundation. The reason is I want to have that glow from within. I am using this cream highlighter, but you can choose anything which has got shimmer. This is one method. Otherwise, you can add shimmer to your foundation and apply all over. Here I will be using a foundation which has got light to medium coverage, because I don't want to use any thick layer or a thick foundation to cover the shine up. I want that shine to peep through the foundation. To keep the lightness, I will be using only one layer of foundation to get that no makeup look. You can see that I have chosen a shade which is absolutely matching to my own skin color. I prefer to apply foundation with a brush and then blend it with a sponge, but you can apply with your hands as you wish. To blend, I prefer to use this beauty blender, which is an amazing discovery. Before using that, you need to damp it well. Otherwise, it is going to soak up all your foundation. As you can see that I am bouncing off the blender rather than rubbing the foundation with it. I don't want that matte look, so I'm skipping off the translucent powder or a compact and moving straight ahead to Lipshade. That's it. Isn't that simple? And does it look like that I'm using a heavy foundation? I don't think so. It looks absolutely natural, healthy.
This is the final look. What do you think? You'll try it? Don't forget to like, and for new viewers, please do hit the subscribe button.
Till then, see you next time.